putting wildlife to a democratic vote is actually not a good idea. Even though, for instance, like I would say, if you look at like Ireland or Scotland, where you might actually that democratic vote for like a reintroduction would probably cross the line, and especially if you look at like the proportion of people who live in cities and therefore have less stake in like say in agriculture or something like this. But again, it's what we talked about earlier, this like slippery slope. Do you start voting on pine martens? Like pine martens are eating some people's chickens, I'm sure, but we're not going to democratically vote whether we want them or not. They're just fundamentally a part of our ecosystem. That's probably for me like really like an important thing. And I'm sure that actually the Wildlife Service in Colorado were not really happy about this idea of voting as well, because they said they would prefer the introduction to come in a natural way, just by dispersal. But yes, we have no. This is not possible in Ireland or the UK.